What'd you do with the other one? It doesn't work?
Come here. Come on.
You're not going to give it back, though. You're not giving it back, then. You're not giving it back.
Let's go, Finn. Over here. Let's go. Oh, jeez, sorry.
Yeah, that's one way to get it like the frisbee.
Come on, you want to play? No, I guess you don't want to play. Come on.
Emma, thank you. Oh, more poop. Boy, I was almost stepping.
Good boy, Finn. Good boy. Let's go. Come on. You got a buddy who wants to play too?
There you go.
Come on.
Go get it, Emma. Emma,
You want to play too?
Come. Emma, come. Emma, come. Come here.
That's good.
Emma, good girl.
Come on, Emma.
Go fetch.
You want to play here?
Go fetch.
Go get it, Emma.
Fetch. Oh, no, it hit me. Look at what. Oh, what a good boy. Yes.
There you go, Emma.
Boy.
There you go.
Good girl. Good girl.
There you go. Yeah, I like that frisbee.
Okay, you got the frisbee. It's very impressive. Emma, come. Bring the frisbee. Fetch.
Come on, Emma. You want to play? Come on, Emma. Let's go. Come on.
Get it. Get it. Oh, look at him. Like, here, this is how to do it. I'll share. He's so cute. Oh, honey, you're adorable. So cute. What's his
Good
name?
boy. His name is Finn.
Finn. Emma, off. Emma, off. Good girl. You ready to go home? Oh, Finn is having so much fun with his frisbee. What a good boy.